Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we discussed 10 problems in objective. Now in today's class, I will start from question number 11. 11th question. A pole stands vertically. A pole stands vertically inside a triangular park. Inside a triangular park ABC. If the angle of elevation of the top of the pole, if the angle of elevation of the top of the pole from each corner of the park, each corner of the park is same, then in the triangle ABC is same, then in the triangle ABC the foot of the pole is at the first option centroid, second option circumcenter, third option in center, fourth option ortho center. This is the given question. Solution. First, you need to take a triangular park. This is triangular park A, B, C. Here a pole stands vertically inside a triangular park. This is the foot of the pole and this is the top of the pole. This is B, this is Q. In question they mention the top of the pole makes the angle of elevation from each corner, that is nothing but this one, this one, this one, this angle, this angle and this angle are same, then in the triangle ABC. Now this angle and this angle are same. So here theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Now here theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Okay. Now this theta 1 is equal to angle A and theta 2 is angle B and theta 3 is angle C. Because if the angle of elevation of the top of the pole from each corner of the park is same, then in the triangle ABC. Now here these three triangles are same. Then we need to find the foot of the pole is at. If it is same, now this PA distance, this PB distance and PC distance, these three are equal. Now PA is equal to PB is equal to PC. If PA equals to PB equals to PC, then P can be written as what? Circumcenter. Then P can be written as circumcenter. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer for this question number 11. 12. Listen, the point capital A divides the join of the points minus 5 comma 1 and 3 comma 5 in the ratio k is to 1, and B point is given, that is 1 comma 5, and C point is 7 comma minus 2. If the area of triangle ABC is 2 units, then K is equal to, that is the question. Now first option 6 and 7, you will get two values, 31 by 9 and 9, 7, 31 by 9, fourth 7 and 9. Okay, listen. First 2 points is minus 5 comma 1, 3 comma 5. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. And the ratio is k is to 1, that is m is to n. Now first I am finding A point. Formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. That is nothing but 3k minus 5 by k plus 1. Next my2 5k plus 1 by k plus 1. mx2 k into 3k plus nx1 1 into minus 5 by m plus n. my2 k into 5k plus ny1 1 into 1 by plus n. And this is A point. B point is given, C point is given. Then area is 2. How to find area? Half. What is the first value? 1, 7, 3k minus 5 by k plus 1. The second value 5 minus 2, 5k plus 1 by k plus 1, 5 is equal to 2. Now simplify. Half into minus 2 minus 35. This is 7 into 5, 35k plus 7 plus 6k minus 10 by k plus 1 plus 15k minus 25 minus 5k minus 1 by k plus 1 is equal to 2. Now simplify. Minus 37 into k plus 1, 35 plus 6, 41, 41 plus 10, 51k. Next, 7 minus 10 minus 3 minus 3 minus 26 minus 29 is equal to 4 into k plus 1. Now 51 minus 37, 14k. Minus 37 minus 29 minus 66 equals to 4k plus 4. Here I am doing the simplification here. First I take plus 14k minus 66 is equal to 4k plus 4. 10k is equal to 70. K is equal to 7. One value will get. K equals to 7. Next I am taking minus. 14k minus 66 is equal to minus 4k minus 4. Now 10k equals to 66 minus 4, 62. K equals to 62 by 10. Sorry, 18k. This is 18k. Sorry, 18k and 62 by 18. Now 331 jas, 3 9 jas. Now 7 comma 31 by 9. That is nothing but option 3 is a correct answer for this question. Next, 14th question. Area of triangle with vertices A comma B, x1 y1 x2 y2, where a x1 x2 belongs to GP, where x1 x2 belongs to GP with common ratio smaller, and B y1 y2 belongs to GP with common ratio S is first option. AB into R minus 1 S minus 1 S minus R. Second option, of AB into R plus 1 S plus 1 S minus R. Third option, of AB into R minus 1 S minus 1 S minus R. Fourth option, AB into r plus 1 s plus 1 r minus s. Okay, solution. Area of triangle. Children, here I am using the formula in second PUC determinants. That formula is half det of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. This is formula for area of triangle in determinants chapter. Now here a x1 x2 belongs to GP means what I can write? A AR square. Similarly, B y1 y2 belongs to GP, then B BS square. Substitute this condition here. That equals to half. Okay, first we need to prove the condition A B 1. Now you can write of A y1 is nothing but of AB1 AR BS 1 AR square BS square 1. This is area of triangle. Now what I will do the simplification. R2 tends to R2 minus R1, R3 tends to R3 minus R1. Okay, now half A B 1. If you multiply A common R minus 1, B common S minus 1, 0. Next, AR common R minus A common R square minus 1, B common S square minus 1, 0. Next, I am doing the simplification here. Half A B 1 A R minus 1 B S minus 1, 0. A R plus 1 into R minus 1 B S plus 1 into S minus 1, 0. In first row I can take A common, and second row you can take B common. 1 1 1 R minus 1 S minus 1, 0. R plus 1 R minus 1 S plus 1 S minus 1, 0. So find the det. Half AB, multiply this minus this, means R minus 1 S plus 1 S minus 1 minus S minus 1 R plus 1 R minus 1. Now in this, which is common? Half AB into R minus 1 S minus 1 common will get. Then what is remaining? S plus 1 minus R plus 1. Now 1 gets cancelled. Now half AB into R minus 1 S minus 1 S minus R. This is the formula for area of triangle. That is option 3 is a correct answer for this question. Next, 15th question. The length of altitude through A of the triangle ABC, where A equals to -3, 0, B is 4, -1, C is 5, 2. First option 2 by root 10, second 4 by root 10, third 11 by root 10, fourth 22 by root 10. We need to find the length of altitude from A. First, we draw a triangle. This is ABC. This is called length of altitude from A. A point already we know, -3, 0, B point 4, -1, C point 5, 2. Okay. Now here I am finding area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Delta equals to half into base means BC, height means AD. Then 2 delta by BC is equal to AD. So, if you want this AD, we need to find delta and BC. Delta means area. Delta equals to half into, first value is what? -3. Here 4, 5, -3. Second value 0. Here -1, 2, 0. Find delta. Delta equals to half into, multiply these two, 3, minus multiply these two, 0, plus 4 2 just 8, minus of minus plus 5. 5 into 0, 0, minus 2 into -3, -6, minus of -6 plus 6. Then half into 3 plus 13 plus 6. Now this is delta equals to 11. Next I am finding the distance between BC, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then BC is equal to 1 square 1 plus 9. Now BC equals to root 10. Okay, substitute all these values in equation 1. In equation 1, AD equals to 2 into delta is nothing but 11 by BC is nothing but root 10. Then AD equals to 22 by root 10. That is answer. That is nothing but option 4 is a correct answer for this question. Next, sixteenth question. If xi comma yi and I equals to 1, 2, 3 are vertices of equilateral triangle such that x1 plus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square, that equals to x2 plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus 3 whole square, that equals to x3 plus 2 whole square plus y3 minus 3 whole square. Then x1 plus x2 plus x3 by y1 plus y2 plus y3. First option 2 by 3, second option minus 2 by 3, third option 3 by 2, fourth option minus 3 by 2. Okay. Given. So what is given condition? x1 plus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square, that equals to x2 plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus 3 whole square, that equals to x3 plus 2 whole square plus y3 minus 3 whole square. Now here I am taking S is minus 2 comma 3, A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, C is x3 y3. From this I can write SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Now SA equals to SB equals to SC, and this is equilateral triangle already given. In equilateral triangle, circumcenter, orthocenter, centroid all are same. In these three, which is easy to find? I am finding centroid. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Why? Because in these three, G is very easy to find. But here G value, O value, S value is same. In place of G, what I can write? Minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3 is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now equate here, minus 2 is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. 3 equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now cross multiply, minus 6 is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3, 9 is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3. But in question he asked x1 plus x2 plus x3 by y1 plus y2 plus y3. Then x1 plus x2 plus x3 by y1 plus y2 plus y3, that equals to minus 6 by 9, that equals to 3 2 jars, 3 3 jars, answer minus 2 by 3. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer.